Brings us to the big boy of the group, the Rockstar hitch mounted mud flaps, along with, as you see here, the RHR Ghost Cushion hitch. Here we have the original setup, 24-inch wide mud flaps. You can go with the 2XL, that'll get you 38 inches. If you go with the 3XL, 47 inches of coverage. That's a grand total of 97 inches of total coverage. Ladies and gentlemen, there is not a better way to protect your towing equipment out there than the Rockstar Universal hitch mounted mud flaps. Very, very good system. As you can see here, there's a few different designs as far as with different vehicles, different dimensions and stuff like that. So make sure to check it out online and verify your fit. Also, I do want to point out on this one, we've got additional sections on the back end of each of the mud flaps in case you have exhaust ports that need to be cut out. You can go right ahead. We actually have a heat shield mounted on this one too, so additional accessories to make sure they last you a lifetime. Slight bump up from the Rocktection mud flaps themselves. You're going to get 1/2 inch thick mud flaps here, and as you can see, 24 inches will bring you right here. This is the original setup. If you go with the 2XL, that'll get you an additional 38 inches, or if you go with the 3XL, that would be the 97 inch total coverage for any of your towing needs.